Banger fucking trade. Banger trade. Like, dude, like, I do this shit. Like, I do this shit. Like, guys, I do this shit. I live for this shit. This is what I do. This is my career. This is my full-time job, guys. It's my full-time job. I have to do this shit. I don't have any other choice. You have a choice because you probably have a job, a stable job. So you're chilling. You're getting monthly paychecks. You're chilling. I don't have a fucking job. I'm jobless, my boy. I'm jobless. So I have to do this shit. You feel what I'm saying? I have to be good at this shit. You feel me? I have to be great at this shit. I can't just be good. I have to be great at this shit, guys. You feel what I'm saying? I think we tap into this 15 and get a nice bounce to the upside. Tap into that fair value gap, get a nice bounce. I'd like if we could trade a little bit deeper into it just to buy more time. Just to buy more time. Okay, let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. We're going deeper. We're going. We might not even get a retracement. We might not get a retracement. Okay, we can also use this. Now we created a new fair value gap at 3 minute. We could use here. Use that here. Use that 3 minute here. Take us back to the upside. See what happens. Damn, we're trading lower. Obviously, no moves to the upside because the first move came at 934. I'm not taking that. I mean, I guess you could have taken this 935. Candle bounce. I don't like taking those. And then it just, well, I guess another one came at 943. Honestly, it was too close to that 15-minute iFVG. That's why I wasn't interested. No news Monday, and we're getting this sort of push. Shit. Oh, man. Let's see what time it is. 10:02. Literally looking for the first inversion we could get. Just take it right back up. If it works out, cool. If it doesn't, cool. Yeah, folks. I don't know what the hell is going on. We just keep sinking. No clean entries. If we don't get an entry by 10:15, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. No cap. I'm gonna call it a day. No trade day. It'll be a no trade day for me today. If we don't get that inversion by 10:15, I'm done. Done with this market. Damn, this was a huge move to the downside. How many points? Shit. No freaking way. That shit went 400 ticks. 400 ticks. That is insane. That's insane. That is insane. That's crazy. 400 ticks is crazy, my boy. With no signs of retracing. Okay, now you want to do that, but you need a clean. Still wait for that inversion because I'm not seeing anything else cleaner than that. So yeah, that inversion is kind of far though, I won't lie, but I'll probably take it if we get it. Just don't see any fair value gap, bro. I mean, technically, like, if you want to be extremely technical, my boy, that is a fair value gap. You could participate in. I might want to participate in that actually. Okay, let's go there. Because technically it is, even though it's very small, it is a fair value gap. I'm gonna go ahead and get in right here.
Order filled.
Because I think that is too far for me. I'm gonna put my stop right there. 106. Let go. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take that. Let's take that. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take that. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let's keep it pushing. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. If I'm saying that 15-minute fair value gap, if I'm saying we're just tapping that 15-minute fair value gap, got a 9 bound to the outside, if I'm saying. If I'm saying, got in there, if I'm saying. And once we blow past this iFVG, I'm moving stops to break even. Oopsie daisy. Okay. I see, are we blowing past 50? Pretty much. I mean, it is a pretty decent spot to move to break even, bro. I won't lie. So I think I'm gonna do that. Move stops to break even. Just to make this trade risk free, so I'm not, you feel me? You feel me? If I'm saying, just so you feel me? Just so we don't, you feel what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? So stop is now a break even, so I'm chilling. I'm chilling, guys. I'm chilling. Big chilling, dog. What you talking to me about, dog? Let's push that up. Twin. Like, if we break even, it is what it is. We didn't even hit 106, so that would be so fucking weird. I mean, we didn't even hit 70. Like, that would be so weird, but whatever. Fuck. Seriously, bro? Like, seriously, my boy? Give us a good Monday, YM. Sheesh. Man. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's bounce. was a good Monday, please. Okay, now we're trading back to 70. Am I gonna take out at 70? Hell nah. What? No. Guys, I'm just having too much fun today. Like, I'm just so hyped up today for some reason. Woke up on the right side of the bed today. It's just gonna take one out there, and then I'll see how price wants to act. If it looks like it wants to keep pushing up, we're gonna, okay, one is out there. I wanna see how price, you feel me? You feel what I'm saying? If price starts to act like a freaking teenager, I'm gonna get out. And I'm trailing my stops tightly as well. Trailing that motherfucker. What are you talking about? So we've inversed that 5 minute. Let's go back. Okay, so we're in a 5 minute fair value gap, so I have to be very careful here. If we start getting like some sort of pullback, I'm out that motherfucker. See how my shit is on the trigger? As soon as we get some nonsense, I'm out that motherfucker. No questions asked. Slightest pullback, I'm out. What are you talking about? I don't want to see no black. What are you talking about, dog? Just a little bit more juice. If we get like just one leg up, like I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Just one leg up, like just push through those highs, tap back into that 5 minute. You feel what I'm saying? Feel what I'm saying? If we struggle at those highs, I'm out. Like, I'm just looking for any reason to get out. But I also want to try to milk it a little bit more. Like a cow. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. Yeah. Finger on the trigger. Yeah, yeah. Sorry if I'm annoying you guys with all this shit I'm saying, but I'm just so excited right today. Like, I don't know why. I'm just so happy. Like, I'm happy today. I'm just happy, bro. Let's keep it pushing, my dog. Let's keep it pushing, dog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stan, when do we take profit? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trail it basically to the take profit. Gonna outsmart the market today. Gonna take it right next to that take profit, you feel what I'm saying? Right next to that. So if it comes down, take me out at freaking full TP. You know what I'm saying? That's how you trick the market. You know what I'm saying? Put that right there. So I'm chilling. Like, dude, my stops is at full TP. Like, what are you telling me? I'm chilling. Okay, now we're trailing. We're trailing. We're moving it back up above that candle. That candle is low. If we get stopped at, dude, we've literally copped 115 ticks just by doing that, my dog. You feel what I'm saying? Like, dude, like, this is the new update. The new lick. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. And I'm just moving that boy up. You feel what I'm saying? Just moving that boy up. Trailing that motherfucker. I'm not giving anything back to the market. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is what we call advanced trailing. Dude, I'm capturing 120 ticks by doing that. Who are you telling? Like, what are you telling me, boy? Like, what are you telling me, boy? Like, my stops are up 100. Look at that. We keep going. And I keep trailing. What are you telling me, my boy? Look at that. I love it. I love this trading shit, my boy. 131 ticks. What are you telling me? we gonna rob the bank today. Fuck is you talking about, twin? Okay, yeah, we gonna be stopped out there. It's cool. Probably gonna be stopped out, whatever. Whatever. Woody bear. Woody bear. Okay, let's keep pushing. Ooh, didn't take me out. Ooh. YM. YM flirting with me. Look at YM flirting with me, bro.
Stop.
Okay, we're out. We're out. We're out. Full TP hit. Banger. 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 Ah, man, I trailed a little bit too tightly, but whatever. Banger, banger trade, guys. That is beautiful. This is how it's freaking done. What are you telling me? Nice start to the week, and that is how we do it. I mean, what are you telling me, boy? Funny enough, I actually didn't. I actually didn't hit last night. I didn't. I'm just happy. Like, I just woke up happy. You feel me? Like, sometimes you just wake up happy. Nah, but I actually wasn't. Actually wasn't. That's that for me today, guys, though. I'm gonna call it a day. Beautiful trade across all my accounts. Nice day today. I love it. 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 I'm looking at my account. It's looking so good right now. I love it, bro. But if I didn't trail so tightly, bro, I could have caught all this shit, bro. Just past another account. Banger fucking trade. Banger trade. Like, dude, like, I do this shit. Like, I do this shit. Like, guys, I do this shit. I live for this shit. This is what I do. This is my career. This is my full-time job, guys. It's my full-time job. I have to do this shit. I don't have any other choice. You have a choice because you probably have a job, a stable job. So you're chilling. You're getting monthly paychecks. You're chilling. I don't have a fucking job. I'm jobless, my boy. I'm jobless. So I have to do this shit. You feel what I'm saying? I have to be good at this shit. You feel me? I have to be great at this shit. I can't just be good. I have to be great at this shit, guys. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this live trading video. Boom, nice way to end the freaking day. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna go chill for the whole day. You feel what I'm saying? I'm chilling. I'm relaxing. I'm saying probably make a few content, if I'm saying, but I'm chilling. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said, I'm just so excited today. Today's a good day, and it showed up in the charts. So that is that for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with anybody that you think will value from this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Comment down in the comments, share your feedbacks with me, whatever you think about this trade or whatever you think in general about trading, about whatever. Even if you want to comment about your cat, do that. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.